Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
And this is a track landed cost. If you want to specify stand landed cost on an item, then you have to do this. I've already shown you that this has to be maintained for sure. So now wait, did you mention the purchase price, sir? The purchase price. Here it is there. But how do we know how much we are purchasing? The quantity is specified on a purchase order. Do not get confused. This is an item that we are creating. An item is just a master data. That's it. The quantity will be specified only on the purchase order or on a sale order. The purchase quantity is specified on the purchase order, not on the item level. When you're creating a purchase, whenever you're creating a purchase order, that is when you will specify the quantity, not on the item level. There is nothing that you can specify on the item level. Thank you. So let us save this. So whenever you specify this as a dropship item, then you have to specify the vendor as well. Now, the reason behind that is the system has to create a purchase order automatically. Correct? So to do that, you have to specify what is your preferred vendor for that particular item. Only then you can actually define it as a dropship item. I have saved that. So if we go back to this item again, scroll down. So this is how your items are created, and then coming to the accounting tab. So if you remember when I was setting up the accounting preferences, if you go into setup accounting and accounting preferences, if you scroll down, so on the accounting preferences, we have specified what account belongs to what type. If you go into your order management, sorry, on the items and transaction, see the purchase discount account. By default, I'm saying that this has to be discount. So if you go back to your inventory item, I have not selected all these accounts, but where are they coming from? They are defaulted from the accounting preferences. So if I say what is my income account? So let's come here and then we'll see income account. 4010 revenue sales is my income account. That is what is specified here. What is my asset account? You see this 1200 inventories. This is my default asset account which comes on the item by default. So what I am trying to tell you is if there are 100 items that you are creating and on the accounting preferences you have specified all these accounts here. Defaulted all these accounts here. So on these 100 items you don't have to select them manually. Everything gets defaulted from these preferences that you have here. So that is what is the use of the preferences all about. And well, you can ask me, where exactly can I get this information from? What is a COGS account? What is an asset account? You know I mean, when you create those accounts, the customer will tell you what to select in these preferences. When you are doing the, personalization sessions, the customers will tell you what are the accounts that you have to select them here. You don't have to do them for the customer. The customer's accounting team will let you know how exactly to do this. Any questions on this? Sir, that's great. So all these accounts that you have, intercompany CGS account, intercompany income account, everything can be defaulted. Even the quantity, variance account, all these things can be defaulted over there. As of now, I think the quantity variance account is not there, and that is the reason you're not getting it here. So I'll show you something. Quantity variance account is blank. That's the reason it is not defaulted over there. You can select a quantity variance account as inventory in stock account or something. And if you do this, and when you're trying to create an item next time, then automatically it gets defaulted for a new item. Let us see. Let us go ahead and click on New. And then if you go into the accounting, everything will be selected by default. You see this? All these things are selected by default because we have specified that at the accounting preferences page. Any questions on that? And then you have the related records. You have related records, communication system information. System information is available on all the records. What is system information? Whatever changes you make on an item, it will be visible automatically. I have changed the pricing. I have changed the preferred vendor. I changed dropship item from false to true. I changed use marginal rates, and I gave quantity pricing schedule as new quantity. Plake landed cost is false. I mean true from false. I have specified what is the purchase price and all these things that I have done. Now you are able to see them here. Correct? And who has made that change? And what is the date and time that change was made? All will be visible over here. Do you have any questions for me on this? Thank you. So likewise, if you go back to your items again, click on new item. I'm trying to show you a vendor, sorry, I matrix item, how a matrix item is created. Do you know what is a matrix item? We already discussed about this. We discussed about the matrix items. Do you remember that? I saw different size, different colors. Correct. That. So how did you create the matrix item? We'll see that. So this is how you create your matrix item. So what I've done now is I have created a shirt. So view item record. If I click on this, so this is a new matrix test item that I have created. So if you scroll down, on the accounting tab, so this is how the items are actually created. These are 4 different items which are created. One is a black shirt. One is a blue shirt. One is a green shirt and one is a red shirt. So these are 4 different items for me. I can open them in 4 different tabs actually. See this. There is a B item and it is a sub item of whatever I've created and everything can be done. So if you scroll down, you can specify different prices for each of them. So you can specify this. I just specified this as B, but you can specify this as more as well. As a blue shirt, red shirt, and all these descriptions can be given so that they are visible. So an inventory item is created in such a way. The matrix item is created in such a way that you will be able to see all these things. And that is how your matrix list actually appears. These are 4 different items that you have created under the same matrix item. So, and likewise, you can actually define more as well. Like, black XL shirt, black L shirt, black M, black S, blue M, blue S, blue L XL, and likewise. So, all these items can be defined automatically through that matrix item assistant that I have shown to you a little while ago. So I suggest that you go into that matrix item thing and try to create your own items on, just like the way I have done now. I think now I can hear you. So you understood the how I created the matrix item. Yes. So please, what I suggest is just, try and practice creating these matrix items and few items of your choice, like black under the black. Again, you can create, black XL, black L, black S, black M, like all these things can be created with different items on this matrix thing. Any questions on that? So you can create your own lists of matrix. So if you see, I have a color, the shirts. This is the one that I have created now, and then I have the size as well. So this is the same list that I know. Probably it is available there as well. But if you create the items manually, one is matrix assistant that I have shown you, which is this, or you can create a matrix items as well. So where does the matrix list that we have it? We should be having a matrix list somewhere that we create. The list is not visible for us, but that's so if you click on this, create matrix items, you will be able to create like this. So I'm selecting this, and when I scroll down, I go into the accounting. So that's more taxable. Scroll down a bit and I say I can actually select my color. And then I can select my shirts, my size. Actually, let's say I select the size small, medium, all these things. And then I can save it. create matrix. Once I do that, see, all these things will be created, which is blue BXS size, blue BS size, blue BMN size, blue GX guess, gray G says, gray GM. So like that, all these items will be created automatically. Blue, small, medium, large, and all these things, mass update performed. So if you scroll down now, you will see all these items as matrix items go into accounting tab. And this is how the items are created. Mica blue, medium blue, small blue, extra small, gray, medium gray, small gray, extra small, red. And all these are different items that have been created automatically from the list that I have created. Any questions on this? All, so this is the entire items list. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.